So we're combining like terms with coefficients, and what we have here is negative n plus negative 4 minus negative 4n plus 6. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to identify all of our like terms. Okay, so now you'll see we've identified the negative n and the minus negative 4n are like terms. They have a variable with a coefficient. In this one, the coefficient is negative 4, and in this one, it's a negative 1. If there's a variable without a number in front of it, we know that that's 1. Over here, we have our constant term. Constant term is just a number. We have a positive 6, and then we have a plus negative 4. So let's first look at this part of the expression. A negative number outside of a parenthesis is like a negative 1 times what's inside the parenthesis. So negative 1 times negative 4n would just be plus 4n. Down here, we could just drop down the negative n plus negative 4 plus 6. So I'm going to box up some terms that we're going to put together in their own new box. So when we add a negative 1n plus positive 4n, the same rules apply. When you're adding these integers and the signs are different, you're going to subtract and take the sign of a higher number. So 4n minus 1n is going to be 3n. So those two are combined. We're good there. And then you just have the plus negative 4 or the negative 4 plus the 6. So when you're adding negative 4 plus 6, you're going to subtract and then take that sign of the greater absolute value, which would be the positive 6. So this would be plus 2. I'm going to circle those when we combine those two terms. So you boxed up the variables that are the same with the coefficient here and here, and then we combined our other like terms, which is what we're doing here. We combined our other like terms of the negative 4 and the positive 6, which came down to a positive 2. Now, you can't go any further because you can't combine 3n plus 2. That's like apples and oranges. This should be a simplified equation.